power of learning to code, the superpower of 2025. You might think coding is all about sitting in front of a computer and typing away, but it's so much more than that. It's about problem solving, creativity, and bringing your ideas to life. Just like solving a puzzle, coding challenges you to think critically and find solutions. When I first started coding, I also was frustrated with all these things I should learn, but I was also amazed at how it helped me approach problems in new ways. It wasn't just about writing code, it was about thinking logically and creatively. One of the coolest things about coding is that it allows you to create anything you can imagine. Whether it's a website, an app, or a game, coding gives you the tools to turn your ideas into reality. And the best part, you don't need to be a genius to get started. All you need is curiosity and a willingness to learn. When I started my coding journey, I joined online communities on Discord and Reddit. I asked questions, shared my projects, and learned from others. It was like being part of a creative workshop where everyone was building something amazing. Coding also taught me the value of collaboration. Working with others on projects helped me see different perspectives and come up with better solutions. It's like being in a band. Each person brings their unique skills and together you create something awesome. And here's the best part. Coding is fun. It's like playing a game where you level up with each new skill you learn. The sense of accomplishment you get from solving a tough problem or finishing a project is unbeatable. So if you're thinking about learning to code, go for it. It's a journey filled with creativity, problem solving, and endless possibilities that pays the bills and leaves something extra in your pocket. Thanks for watching. I'm Developit, and until next time, happy coding.